In 2018, outside of our office in Green Bay, Wisconsin, we built an elevated deck on a steel structure out of our DuxxBak product for various reasons. But now, after 6 years, we want to show you how easy it is to clean up a deck, especially one covered in a canopy of trees as heavily as this one is. To give you an idea of what we were up against before we started, you can see in this up-close shot of the deck surface that because of all that organic debris that was left behind over the last 6 years, it really leaves behind a lot of dirt and grime on the boards and in between. And as we got into cleaning it, we also wanted to show you that under the deck, not a single drop of water is getting through. It's all running off the deck as it should. Keep in mind that he's using a high pressure power washer and not a single drip of water is coming through that deck. Everything is running off. Here's a snapshot immediately after. We purposely left some of the debris behind so that you could see the before and after and how significant the change is. A pressure washer with a fan tip can be used carefully to clean up your deck, and you can see that it restores it beautifully.